Look at this.
John 3:16 verse 16.
John 3:16. Nasenia onyan kopon do viasa ni se odene ba a ovo no koro no ma na obiara o ogye no dino anyera navanya nekava a eni ava.
Well done.
Welcome to the Mata Television.
Hi, my name is Christy, aka Nikki CH, and you are watching the Mata TV. On today's episode is Broni Obetimi Akan. Yes, can the white speak my dialect? Do you really want to know? Yes! Follow me.
You agree? Yes!
And please subscribe.
Yes!
Please, what's your name?
Lorenzo.
I'll be reading something in my dialect and you have to say it. John 3:16 verse 16.
John 3:16.
That you need to read.
Look at this.
Oh, na senia onian kopsen do viasa ni se de ne ba o svo no korono mai na obiara o ogie no dino aniera na vana gava a eni avi.
What?
Na vana gava a eni avi.
Well done.
Welcome to the Mata Television.
Please, what's your name?
My name is Rick and I'm coming from Amsterdam.
Nice.
Na senia onyan kopon do viase ni se odene baowo no korono ma na obiara a ogeno dino anyera navanya nkwa a eni avaya.
Well done. Clap on for yourself.
Na senea onya kanyo pom viaseni se odene ba a. I really don't know, sorry.
You're going good.
So
You're going good.
no koro no ma no obiara a ogia no dino aneyera na vanya nkamwaya a eni ni awi.
Rono.
Welcome to the Mata Television.
John 3:16 verse 16.
Nasina onyanko nyen do wisani se odena bwa owo no korano mai na obiara ogieno dino anyera na wanya nika a enia wia.
Well done.
Go and sit down.
Please subscribe and don't forget to hit on the bell to select all options so you will be the first to get notified when we upload our videos. Like, comment, and share.
Welcome to the Mata Television.